Hey guys, welcome. In this video we're going to take a look at SQL Server. So we are going to get Microsoft SQL Server 2014 Express. It's free. Thank you Microsoft for this amazing product. Okay, so please follow the link that I've provided in the sidebar. You come to this page here, select the language of your choice. If you go down to the list, it tells you what the files are. Okay, it tells you local DB, Express with tools. I mean, there's a great number of things here. Okay, it tells you what the system requirements are, so make sure you meet those. Specifically the versions of Windows that this works on. You have install instructions, so if you need those, you know what to do. You can follow those one by one. Okay, and then there's some additional information. Alright, so if you click download here, it gives you several different choices. Okay, so you can do this either with the 32-bit or the 64-bit. Depending on the one that you know your system. And here in Windows, if you go to System Information, okay, you see where it says System Type x64. So in my case, it's a 64-bit processor. If in your case it says something like x86, then that's the older version. Okay. So that's how you can decide, and there's a lot of other information here, right, that you can get. So I already have it downloaded and installed. I chose the 64-bit version here, x64, because it's my computer. But then of course you choose the one that you want, click it, and then just follow the directions on screen, and that will get you what you need. The only thing is, when you go through the installation process, make sure you use integrated security. Okay, so at some stage in the process, at least that's how it worked for me, it asked me for whether I want to use integrated security, and I said yes. In other words, the account that you use to log on to Windows is the same as the SQL Server Express account. Okay, so make sure those are consistent, otherwise you will get errors when you try to make an application and connect to SQL Server, or you'll have to supply additional login information. Alright, so then of course you're going to click next here. Alright, and then it's going to start downloading. Once you have it downloaded, you go through the installation process. It's all guided, so in other words, they tell you what to do at each stage. Okay, so make sure you can download, install, and in the next video we'll start making use of it within Visual Studio. Of course, I have a whole course on SQL Server and a separate, course, but that's it for this lesson. So thanks very much, and I will see you in the next video.